Okay, here's another way to pull a stubborn plastic wheel cover off the rim. You need one of these tools right here, a little hook with a handle, available all over the place, Amazon, whatnot. And then what you need to do is you need to find the valve stem and find the supporting wire for the wheel cover in the area of the valve stem right there. And this is the only area where you can actually grab it. In all the other areas, this guide wire is flush against the rim, so you can't really grab it. So what you do is you use this hook, grab onto the wire like this, and the only thing you have to be careful as you pull, do not contact the plastic wheel cover with the body of the hook because it can damage it, and then just kind of pull toward the center of the wheel. Let me show you how it's done. So as you can see, what I was pulling on is this area of the wire right here. And again, all you're doing is you're pulling with this hook on this metal piece.